guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm basically going to show you how I apply nail polish. Now some of y'all have asked me to start making videos on nails. So basically the first video I wanted to do was something very basic and show you guys how I apply nail polish. There are a few steps that I do which ensures that my nail polish stays on a lot longer. Also, a lot of people think that I have applied gel polish, but it's actually normal polish. So it's definitely the kind of products I use and the technique and the steps which I am going to share with you guys. So let's get started. So I use the Hansen nail hardener as the base coat. This will really help in strengthening your nails in case it is very brittle. I really love the Live Love polish colors and I so wish that they were in India, but you can easily get them shipped from America. This is called Agate and I absolutely love this color. So I have two favorites when it comes to quick dry top coats. This one is from Colorbar and another one which I really like is the Hansen top coat. I usually file my own nails. I usually go in for a squarish shape and I just round the edges. And the nail filer I'm using to do this is again from Live Love polish. It's a really nice one. They had sent me a kit some time back and the filer came with it as well. And then I take a little bit of acetone and I just wipe off everything. Even if I don't have polish, there could be specks of like color on my nails. This also helps in making sure that your nails are absolutely dry so that the color actually sticks on your nails a lot better and it will last a lot longer as well. And then I just do one thin coat of the Hansen nail hardener base coat. This is actually more of a treatment thing as well. I'm supposed to apply this every 3 days because my nails had become really brittle in the middle. But I use this as a base coat whenever I am putting polish. So that way the chemical in the polish is not directly affecting my nails. And this is also working at strengthening and hardening my nails. So once I am done applying a thin coat of the base nail hardener, I just let it dry for some time. Okay, so then I take my polish, I shake it up really well. Make sure that it is not a very thick consistency. In case your nail polish has dried, you do get nail polish thinners in the market. You just put a few drops into your polish and the consistency will become a lot thinner. So yeah, the consistency of the polish should be something like this, not thinner than this or not thicker than this. So just apply a very thin coat in the beginning. So your first coat should ideally be slightly thinner. And even if it's not completely applied properly on all the edges, it's absolutely okay. But don't keep the first coat very thick. I also seal the tips of the nails when I'm applying polish. So once I'm done applying it on the nails, I just quickly, whatever is left on the brush, I just go over the tips and just seal the tips and the polish really well. And then I'm going to give the polish a good shake, and this is how the consistency of the polish should be for the second coat. You can go slightly thicker because obviously you want to cover all the corners really well and you want to make sure that you've got an even application, so your second coat can be slightly thicker than the first coat. So make sure that you get an even application, you are covering all the corners properly but not applying it on your cuticles. Yes, this comes with a bit of practice. Make sure that you're sealing the tips. All of these points are very important to make sure that you are getting a really nice like finish, like a salon like finish, and also that your polish this way will last a lot longer. And I mean a lot of people actually think I have gel polish, but if you follow this, maybe you will also get a gel polish like finish with your nail polish. So let this dry for at least 3 to 5 minutes and then you can go ahead and add one coat of the quick dry top coat. Now both of these top coats give a very good shine as well, so it dries up the polish a lot faster. So there's no chipping or like there are no marks on your polish, and this also gives a really nice shine. Okay, so now in case you have messed up a little bit and you have a little bit on your cuticles or on your skin, I just use a lip liner to just clean the corners out. Now take the lip liner, dip it in a little bit of acetone and easily just go in and keep cleaning the corners and sides. And that's about it. That is how it looks. I really love it. I always follow this step whenever I'm applying polish, and it's never let me down, and I get a really good finish. So I hope this video has helped you guys. I have left all the product links in the description box in case you want to check it out. Give this video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell. In case you want more videos on nail care, just leave it down in the comment section. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!